Hello everyone, today we will discuss about useEffect, useMemo, use callback hook. Let's start. We have a app.js file. First we have to import React from the React library. Second we have to import view text from React Native library. We have to create a function with the name of app. Return something inside that function. View text, right here hello, and we have to export that function. Export default app. Now press Ctrl plus S. Import the hook, use effect, use memo, use callback. Create a use effect. Okay. Create a use callback. Create a use memo. Look at here. All three have same format: use effect, use callback, and use memo. But main difference is use effect do not return any value. Use callback return a function. Use memo return a value. Last two are returning something, but use effect do not return anything. Hooks are returning something, so we have to store in some variable. So I declare here const use call fun for storing the value. From the use memo we declare a variable use memo value is equal to. So here we are storing the function and here we are storing the value. Use effect do not return anything, so we do not need to write any variable in front of use effect. For testing, I create here a function const use call function is equal to. I created a arrow function. What value we pass here? It is returning the square of that value. Return value into value. Till here, I think nobody have any issue. Use effect do not return anything. It will return a function. It will return a value. Let console these things so that you get a better picture about the use callback and use memo. Console.log use memo value. So if we return here use callback function, we have to write use callback. So till here we call the use call function from use callback. I will pass a value from here. Let's, for example, I pass use call function 8 from here. It is thinking that it is a hook. So let's remove the use. Now it is fine. Call function. So we pass 8 in a call function and it will return some value. Here we will get the function, not the value. Same thing we put here call function with 8, or let 9 for get the different output. In our use effect, we have to create a state variable. So here I create a state variable const value set value is equal to use state. I place here 0 because use effect do not return anything. So we have to store the value. So how we can store that value? Using the use state we can set the value. Set value. I will write here call function and here I will pass 7. Look at here. In a use effect we are passing 7 in a callback function. In a use callback we are passing here 8 in a parameter of call function. In a memo we are passing here 9 in the parameter of call function, so that we get the different output. Here I place here console.log value. It is the value of use effect, it is the value of use callback, it is the value of use memo. For the differentiation I put here console.log star so that you can easily differentiate. So I press here Ctrl S. Let's start the terminal also. Terminal started. Look at the output. We are getting star star star. In a use effect, value is updated because it is calling call function, and what in the return it is getting the square of 7 into 7 square of the value and storing that value in set value. So here we are getting 49. Here we are getting function anonymous, means it is returning a function. Look at here, we are not getting anything, so we have to write here return. Now we will get, yeah, look at here, we are getting 49, we are getting a function. Here we are getting a value 9 square, 9 into 9 81, 7 into 7 49, and here we are getting function. We confirmed that use effect do not return anything. Use callback return a function. Use memo return a value.